Learn English daily.
Hey Maya, you look like you're having a blast. What are you doing?
Oh, hey Lana. I'm trying on these funky new shoes I just bought. Aren't they wild? They're glowing in the dark. See?
Wow, that's cool. I'm definitely getting a disco vibe from them. Are you planning on wearing them to that party tonight?
You bet. I'm hoping to make a statement. Jake is DJing tonight, and he's spinning some retro tracks. So I'm going all out. By the way, speaking of the party, what are you wearing?
I'm still deciding actually. Right now, I'm leaning towards my metallic jumpsuit. I feel like we're both channeling some serious 80s energy tonight. By the way, is that glitter I'm seeing in your hair?
Yep. I'm experimenting with some new hair gel. It's sparkling and making me feel like a disco ball.
That's amazing. You know, I'm thinking we should do a TikTok before we head out. The world needs to see these vibes we're bringing.
Absolutely. But first, I'm craving some ice cream. I know, random, right? Are you joining? They're setting up an ice cream truck right outside.
Oh, wow. You're always spotting these things before anyone else. Yes, I'm in. And I'm capturing this on my camera too. We're making memories today.
We surely are. I'm feeling the excitement already. Let's go grab that ice cream, and then we're conquering the dance floor tonight.
Sounds like a plan. We're setting this night on fire.
Ah, Alex, I'm looking everywhere for you. What are you doing with that giant inflatable flamingo?
Hey, Mr. Daniels. Oh, this. I'm setting up for the office summer party. Remember? You mentioned wanting to bring some fun to the office. The flamingo is for the dunk tank. Employees are taking turns getting dunked.
Dunk tank. Ah, yes, I recall now. Well, it seems like you're taking the theme to heart. Wait, is that music I'm hearing?
Yep, that's the salsa band I booked. They're just doing a sound check. Everyone's getting super excited. And by the way, we're also organizing a limbo contest later. Are you joining in? I bet the team would love to see you try.
A limbo contest? Well, I haven't done that in years. I'm not as flexible as I used to be, but I'm always up for a challenge. And speaking of challenges, why is Karen wearing those funky goggles?
Oh, those. We're having a virtual reality station too. She's testing out a beach simulation game. It feels like you're building sandcastles on a real beach. You should give it a try.
I definitely will. It sounds like you're pulling out all the stops for this party. And I see the snack table is looking quite impressive. Are those pineapple cupcakes I'm spotting?
Absolutely. We're trying to keep with the tropical theme. Plus, the kitchen team is whipping up some mocktail pina coladas in a bit.
Alex, I must say I'm loving the energy you're bringing. Let's make this a summer party to remember.
Thank you, Mr. Daniels. I'm just hoping everyone has a great time. And remember, we're all expecting to see you at the limbo line.
Challenge accepted. But if I'm doing the limbo, I'm expecting you to be the first in line for the dunk tank.
Fair deal. Let the games begin.